Acquiring prospective customers using direct methods may be intimidating, but integrating Facebook ads, Google Shopping, and Nextag into NetSuite, you can stretch your dollars and boost lead generation. Eliminate the cumbersome and time-consuming process of exporting your product feed and inventory quantity from NetSuite to these advertising platforms. Nova Module simplifies the process by a good margin. Our integration products have an extremely fast ROI. Get your advertising platforms integrated with NetSuite using our quick and easy to implement smart connectors. Schedule a demo with us and we'll show you how we can solve your integration needs. Email us at hello@novamodule.com. Again, that's hello@novamodule.com. Or visit our website for additional ways to contact us. Nova Module, modern integration for modern business.